Shining sun and the bright blue sky over beautiful Quebec City for this first ever ITU Winter Triathlon. It's a perfect day with a comfortable 0 degrees Celsius. In this new event, the participants will have to complete a course which includes 5 kilometers of snowshoeing, 12 kilometers of speed skating, and they will finish off with 8 kilometers of cross-country skiing. Athletes from all over the world have gathered in La Belle Province for this new format. Russia's Pavel Andreev will be a top contender today. He's a 4 times world champion of the previous winter triathlon format. Here we go, the race is on for those 25 men. We will keep a close eye on Joël Bourgeois from New Brunswick, Canada. He's a 2 times Olympian in steeplechase running. Back at the starting line, 9 women are waiting for the horn sound. And here they go for 3 laps of this snowshoeing course. Back to the men's race, Joël Bourgeois is in the lead. Not far behind is Canada's Maxime Leboeuf, followed by the Russian Pavel Andreev. Bourgeois completes the snowshoeing stage of this race in first place, and he enters the first transition zone. Here is Amber Ferreira from New Hampshire, United States. She was 4th at the Ironman Tremblant in 2013. She completes the first stage of this event in the lead. Annie Gervais and Evelyne Blouin, 2 other accomplished summer triathletes, both from Canada, are a few seconds behind the American. There we go, this is the second stage of this event, one that many athletes feared entering this historic race, the speed skating, the sport that makes this a true winter triathlon. The women clip on their Nordic blades as they prepare for 28 laps of speed skating. We see now a group of athletes gathering. Leading the peloton is Marc-André Bédard, member of the Canadian biathlon team at the 2010 Olympic Games in Vancouver. Bédard is pushing hard in front of that group, trying to enter the cross-country course in the lead, which would give him a fair chance at the podium today. Back at the women's race, Annie Gervais is leading the way. She takes advantage of the speed skating portion to give herself a minute over her closest rival. The men's leading group is now completing the speed skating stage. Joël Bourgeois is the first to enter the last transition zone. They will complete 3 laps of this cross-country ski course for a total of 8 kilometers. Here is one contestant that has what it takes to aim the podium today. Dusan Simocko, bib number 131, is a member of Slovakia's national biathlon team. He and Marc-André Bédard are the strongest skiers in today's race. Also very strong on her skis is Canadian biathlon team member Claude Godbout. She has passed Evelyne Blouin to take 2nd place and is now closing the gap on the leader Annie Gervais. In the meantime, Dusan Simocko has managed to separate himself from the other athletes, and there he is in the final lap of this event. Simocko has a 30 seconds lead over crowd favorite Marc-André Bédard as he completes this 25 kilometers race. The Slovakian athlete crosses the finish line in first place. He enters history as he takes home the first ever ITU Winter Triathlon title. Despite suffering from leg cramps in the 3rd part of the race, Marc-André Bédard from Canada finishes in 2nd place. And in the last 80 meters, Aidan Lenny from Canada takes his last shot at the podium. He pushes as hard as he can to reach to Pavel Andreev. It's a great effort, but the Russian still takes the bronze, while Lenny, exhausted, finishes in 4th place.
I didn't expect that I can win.
Why not?
There is a world champions in snowshoeing. There is a world champions for the best ice skaters, and cross-country skiing is just my half of my specialty that I'm doing biathlon. So I didn't expect at all.
In the women's race, Claude Godbout is coming fast as we approach the finish line. She is by far the fastest skier on track today, but Annie Gervais is able to hold on to her lead. Gervais becomes the first female winner of this ITU Winter Triathlon. Claude Godbout takes silver, while Evelyne Blouin wins the bronze medal for an all-Canadian podium.
Je suis vraiment, vraiment contente. Je visais de faire un top 3. Alors là, la victoire, c'est toujours évidemment très apprécié, là. Mais c'est vraiment le fun aujourd'hui à Québec. Il y a beaucoup de monde qui sont déplacés pour venir voir ce bel événement. Puis évidemment, l'organisation est extraordinaire. Les conditions, le soleil, le ciel bleu. Puis la victoire, là, moi, je peux pas demander mieux. Là. Je suis comme ça une hache.
Well, this was a great event overall. The organizers and the International Triathlon Union hope this sport will gain in popularity and get interest from the International Olympic Committee. For now, here is your podium, the winners of this 2014 ITU Winter Triathlon. From Quebec City, we hope you enjoy this race. Au revoir et à bientôt.